Hey there, and welcome back to Earthy Remedy. Let's talk hormones. Believe it or not, the food you eat doesn't just affect your waistline. It can seriously mess with your hormone levels too. Eat the right stuff, and you'll feel stronger, leaner, and more energized. But eat the wrong stuff, and suddenly you're dealing with fatigue, stubborn fat, low energy, and your testosterone quietly packing its bags. Most people know to load up on foods like ginger, garlic, and oysters to support testosterone. But here's what often gets ignored: cutting out the foods that spike estrogen. And trust us, that might actually be more important. See, a lot of modern foods are full of weird ingredients our ancestors never had to deal with. Our bodies haven't caught up to that change, and it's throwing hormones out of whack. So today, let's go over 8 common foods that can mess with your hormones, especially by raising estrogen and lowering testosterone. Cut back on these, and you're giving your body a much better shot at staying balanced and firing on all cylinders. 1. Too much omega-6, not enough omega-3. Fats are important for hormone production, but not all fats are good. Back in the day, people ate a nice balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fats. These days, most diets are drowning in omega-6s, thanks to veggie oils like corn, soybean, and sunflower oil. Stuff that's hiding in everything from chips to salad dressing. Even animal products like butter and eggs can be skewed in the wrong direction if the animals are grain-fed. Too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 throws off hormone signaling and can cause inflammation, both of which are bad news for testosterone. What to do? Eat more omega-3 rich foods like salmon, sardines, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. And try to buy grass-fed or pasture-raised animal products when you can. Oh, and maybe cool it on the fast food fries. 2. Processed foods, aka hormone wrecking balls. Frozen dinners, fast food, microwave snacks. Sure, they're convenient, but they're also full of artificial additives, low-quality fats, and sugar bombs. Many of them still contain trans fats, even though those are being phased out. Trans fats are terrible for hormones. They can mimic estrogen in your body and lower your testosterone at the same time. Double whammy. What to do? Stick with real food. Think fresh veggies, fruits, whole grains, lean meats, and healthy fats. Basically, food that doesn't come with a mascot on the box. 3. Alcohol. Sorry, but yeah. Look, we're not here to ruin your Friday night, but alcohol can mess with your hormones in a few big ways. It slows down your liver, which is supposed to get rid of extra estrogen. It increases aromatase, an enzyme that turns testosterone into estrogen. Yikes. And it can mess with the entire testosterone production system in your body, especially if you drink heavily or often. What to do? Try to stick to moderate drinking. That means no more than 2 drinks a day for guys and 1 for women. And no, saving them all for Saturday night and calling it moderation doesn't count. 4. Sugar overload. Sugar tastes good. We get it. But too much of it can lead to fat gain. And fat cells love turning testosterone into estrogen. The more fat you gain, especially around your belly or chest, the more estrogen you produce. It's a vicious cycle. Plus, sugar spikes your blood sugar, crashes your energy, and can lead to insulin resistance. That makes it harder for your body to produce testosterone at all. What to do? Cut down on refined sugar. Choose fruit instead of cookies, drink water instead of soda, and watch out for sneaky added sugars in things like sauces, protein bars, or flavored yogurts. Quick break before you panic. Clean your fridge. If you're sitting there thinking, wait, I had mint tea with licorice after my fast food dinner last night, don't worry, we're not here to judge. But if you're into this kind of helpful hormone-saving info, we've got a lot more coming your way. So do us and your future testosterone levels a favor. Hit that subscribe button, tap the thumbs up, and stick with us at Earthy Remedy. It's way cheaper than a midlife crisis. All right, back to it. 5. Mint. Yep, seriously. Believe it or not, some studies suggest that mint, especially spearmint and peppermint, can lower testosterone. Most of the research is on animals or women with hormone issues, but the effect is still something to keep in mind. Now, chewing gum? No big deal. But if you're chugging spearmint tea every night, you might want to mix it up. What to do? If you're focused on testosterone, maybe swap the mint tea for green or ginger tea instead. 6. Licorice. Licorice, the real stuff, not just the red twists, contains a compound called glyceric acid, which has been shown to block testosterone production. In one small study, guys who ate licorice candy saw their testosterone levels drop by a noticeable amount in just 4 days. What to do? Check the label. Licorice root shows up in some teas and herbal blends. If testosterone is a concern, it's probably best to steer clear. 7. Artificial additives and preservatives. Processed foods don't just have sugar and bad fats. They're also full of synthetic preservatives, fake sweeteners, and weird dyes. Some of these can mess with your hormones by mimicking estrogen or disrupting your endocrine system. Even packaging chemicals like BPA in plastics can leach into your food and act like estrogen in your body. What to do? Eat real food as much as you can. Organic, fresh, or at least stuff with short ingredient lists you can pronounce. And store food in glass or stainless steel instead of plastic when possible. 8. Conventionally raised animal products. Animals that are grain-fed or raised with hormones can pass some of that imbalance along to you through meat, milk, or eggs. These products usually have more omega-6 fats and less of the good stuff like omega-3s and CLA. What to do? Look for grass-fed, pasture-raised, or hormone-free labels when you buy meat, eggs, or dairy. It's a little more expensive, but your hormones will thank you. Final thoughts. Here's the bottom line. A lot of everyday foods, especially the ultra-processed, sugary, or artificially flavored kind, can sneakily mess with your hormone balance. By cutting back on the foods we covered today, you're giving your body a better shot at keeping testosterone high and estrogen in check. That means more energy, better focus, more muscle, and a whole lot less hormonal chaos. So focus on whole, simple, nutrient-dense foods. Your body will notice, your mood will improve, and hey, your future self might actually write you a thank you note. That's it for today. If you like this video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time here on Earthy Remedy.